In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Chrome auto sign-in. If you want to stop Google Chrome from automatically signing you in when you use Google services, this is a quick setting you can change directly inside the browser. It's especially useful if you share a computer, prefer more control over your browsing session, or simply don't want Chrome linking your browser profile every time you sign in to a Google website. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find access to the browser's settings and tools. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where all of the browser's account, privacy, and customization options are located. On the left-hand sidebar, click You and Google. This section contains the settings related to your Google account, sync preferences, and sign-in behavior. Next, on the right side of the screen, click Sync and Google Services. This area controls how Chrome interacts with your Google account and other Google features. Once you're in that section, scroll down until you reach the part labeled Other Google Services. Take your time here, since some versions of Chrome may place this option a little farther down the page. In that section, find the switch next to Allow Chrome Sign In. This is the setting that lets Chrome automatically connect your browser session with your Google account when you sign in to services like Gmail or YouTube. To disable that behavior, toggle the switch off. After you switch it off, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the change. Click Turn Off to confirm. Once you do that, Chrome will stop automatically signing you into the browser when you sign in to Google websites. That's all you need to do. The change takes effect right away, so there's usually no need to restart the browser. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, you can return to the same setting and enable it again. As a final tip, remember that turning off this option affects Chrome sign-in behavior, but it doesn't stop you from signing in to Google websites manually when you want to. It simply gives you more control over when your browser profile is connected. And that's how to turn off Chrome auto sign-in.